Want to build a document scanner that works seamlessly in Safari on macOS? While macOS provides the image capture for accessing scanners, it's not designed for web use and doesn't support the TWAIN protocol. Dynamic Web TWAIN fills that gap as a browser-based document scanning SDK that brings full-featured scanning to all common web browsers and supports the main scanner protocol. Once the SDK is integrated into your web app, end users are prompted to install the Dynamic Web TWAIN service. It acts as a lightweight bridge between the browser and local scanners. With it, users can scan directly from Safari with features like real-time scan previews, customizable scan settings, blank page detection, and basic image editing tools. After scanning, files can be saved locally as images or PDFs or uploaded to a server. And all of this is made possible with the Dynamic Web TWAIN. With just a few lines of code, you can build a web-based scanning application for Mac users. Backed by years of development and trusted by enterprises like IBM, it's a proven solution for cross-platform web scanning. Ready to bring scanning to your macOS users? Download Dynamic Web TWAIN and get started today.